warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about kajian kitab Sabilal Muhtadin, kitab haji dan umroh, perbandingan mazhab, atau dalam bahasa Inggris, study from the book of Sabilal Muhtadin, the books of Hajj and Umrah, the comparison of mazhab. The first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Islamiyah, NPM 18124648. The first, as you can see, there is the meaning of Hajj and Umrah. Hajj means al-qasdu, which means is to attend a journey. It is the term of coming to the Kaabah to visiting a certain place with the intent of worship. In the language, Umrah is az-ziyarah, which means to visit or pilgrimage to somewhere or someone like a family or something like that. And there is the term of Umrah in fiqh definition. The first is tawaf all around Baitullah and sa'i between Safa and Marwah. The second is come to the Kaabah to doing worship, which is tawaf and sa'i. Next, there is the condition of Hajj or Umrah obligatory. The first being a Muslim, the second being of sound mind, the third is being adult, the fourth is being free, and the fifth being to be able to do it. And there's the pillars of Hajj obligatory. The first is Ihram, the second is Wukuf, the third is Tawaf Ifadah, the fourth is Sa'i, the fifth is Tahallul, and the sixth is good and predetermined goals. Next, from this table, we know that the comparison from four mazhab about Hajj and Umrah, and there is the explanation about the condition of Hajj or Umrah obligatory. And the first, Imam Hanafi should be a Muslim, have a sound mind, free, healthy, have a good financial and facilities safety. And for a woman, must be accompanied by a husband or with mahram. And the second is Imam Maliki. There is a Muslim, adult, have a sound mind, free, have capable, and for a woman, doesn't matter if not accompanied with husband or with mahram, but if there is a friend who consider safe and good, even she is old or young woman. And the third is Imam Shafi'i. There is a Muslim, free, taklif, have capable. And for a woman, there is a self-compliant and Muslim woman who is free and trusted. And the last is Imam Hambali. There is a Muslim, have a sound mind, free, have capable. And for a woman, must be followed with her mahram or with people who can marry with her for a whole life. Next, there is the explanation about wajib and compulsory act of Hajj. The first is Imam Hanafi. They are 5. The first is Sa'i, spend the night in Musdalifah, throwing jumrah or pebbles, cutting hair, and tawaf wada. The second is Imam Maliki. They are 5 too. The first is spend the night at Musdalifah, throwing jumrah or pebbles, cutting hair, and tawaf ifadah at Nar. And the third is Imam Hanafi. They are 6. The first is Ihram. Spend the night in Musdalifah, throwing Jumrah Aqobah, and spend the night at Mina, and throwing Jumrah in Tashriq Day, and stay away from prohibition of Ihram. And the last is Imam Hambali. They are 7. The first is Ihram from Mikot, Wukuf at Arafah until night, spend the night at Mina, throwing Jumrah, cutting hair, and tawaf wada. Next, there is explanation about the pillars of Hajj obligatory. The first is Imam Hanafi. There are two, wukuf at Arafah, and fourth, circumambulation in Tawaf Ifadah, and third, circumambulation is just a mandatory. The second is Imam Maliki. There are four. The first, Ihram, Tawaf Ifadah, Sa'i, and Wukuf at Arafah. And the third is Imam Syafi'i. There are six. The first is Ihram, Tawaf Ifadah, Sa'i, Wukuf at Arafah, cutting hair, and orderly. And the last is Imam Hambali. There are four. The first is Ihram, Tawaf Ifadah, Sa'i, and Wukuf at Arafah. And the last, there is the contemporary fatwa and issue of Hajj and Umrah. The first is Hajj is not free of banking for a Muslim who wants to keep away from banking because there is riba in it. And the second is Hajj make it possible for intiqalul mazhab. Most of Muslims in Indonesia are followed the Imam Syafi'i, which is if women and men have a contact with skin, then can it cancel the wudu. And the third is period delay for women. Basically, there are two factors that become a reason for a woman to use menstrual cycle medicine, which is for the purpose of worship and purpose outside of worship. And the last is Mikat's problem. There is two Mikat, which is Mikat Zamaria, month of pilgrimage, started from Shawwal, Zulqaidah, and Zulhijjah. And the second is Mikat Makania, that is the place to the start for making ihram for those who have intent of doing Hajj and Umrah. I think that's all. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.